Hi, I'm Courtney and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over more than 150 Christmas gift ideas for anyone that you're stuck for your loved ones. I'm going to go through them really quickly for you from cheapest to most expensive. So if you are stuck for a gift idea, this is definitely the best video for you. But let's get stuck into it because I don't want to waste your time. The Christmas clock is already ticking. And if I'm looking down, please don't mind that as well too. I haven't memorized all 150, so I do have a little list I'm working off here for you. All right, item number one on the list is just fun jewelry from somewhere like Lovisa. There's things in there starting from $10. Baby silicone bowl and spoon set, DIY bath bomb kit. Now this is great for teenagers and kids as well, really fun activity. The Morphe beauty blender, the ceramic cup from Clover & Co. Now this store has heaps of great stuff and they have plenty of ideas. So if you're stuck for something, that website's another good one for you as well. The Sea Monkey kit. Now this is really cool. It's from Kmart, again, really cheap. It's only $15. The Bluey Kids plaster painting kit is another cool one. This hammock from Kmart is only $16, which is a bargain price. An A5 planner so that you can go ahead and plan for the new year. The Barefoot Investor book. Now this is another one that I've gifted people personally myself and they have loved it. DIY kombucha starter kit, which is another fun activity one. This salt lamp. Now this is from Kmart and it's only $19. A portable charger. I don't leave home without my portable charger. As long as I'm taking a decent sized handbag, it is always in there and it has saved me countless times and my friends as well. So a portable charger for someone that doesn't have one for their phone already. This cute picnic wine holder, house, bath and bed have it and it's only $20 as well. Tea mug from T2. I love this again as a small gift, $20. Coastal magnets as a cute little piece for your fridge, $20 again. This watercolor set from Typo, $20 as well. Kids set of books. Now I've got this cute one from Big W. Book sets are great for younger kids. If you have a Costco membership like I do as well, that's another really good spot to go and grab some book sets too. This set of 6 wool dryer balls. I use these myself and swear by them. They go in the dryer every single time putting a load on and they make it dry faster. You can get them on Amazon, again, only 20 bucks. This really cute Christmas socks gift box from Happy Socks, $22. It's a really good Kris Kringle idea. Random acts of kindness, tea tin, that's another one from T2. Monopoly, a board game, $25 from Kmart. And then again, Twister is another classic. This boho candle holder from Luxe Coastal Home, $25. Really, really cute home decor piece. This plant pot cover is Australian handmade and only $25. This cat window hammock. So I have a few fur babies and my cats absolutely adore this. You just stick it on your window and again $25. It's from Pet Circle. Seagrass tissue box, square, which is a cute little decor piece, $26. Custom photo book, so Vistaprint do these. They're from about $26. You can get them. Atomic Habits, the book from Booktopia. Dogs accessories like leads and collars from My Papa from $28. They're a really cute small business, so I love supporting them as well. An umbrella, I've got this umbrella myself from Oroton. I love it. It has a really good click function that it just clicks one button and the whole thing pops out. $30 they're on sale for at the outlet. This Tilly Soap coconut and lime reed diffuser, 150 mils. They last forever and they smell amazing. They also do really cute soaps. Basketball from Rebel Sports, $30. Ellie Art earrings, $30. And there's some really cute little pieces on there. Kids gumboots from Clover & Co, $30. Indoor outdoor plants and decor. Grow Urban Oasis is this really cool store where they sell all live plants. Crystal salt coasters, it's a 2-pack, the next one $30. Baby comforter, also $30 from Adair's. Desk vending machine from Typo is a cute little fun idea. Drinking tower game, again Typo. It's like a Jenga but for adults. The makeup eraser is the next one. It is just a cloth and you wet it with just normal water and it takes off any makeup, even waterproof mascara. It's really, really good. So you don't need to be putting chemicals or makeup removers on your face all the time. And I do have actually a discount code, so I'll put that down below. I'm gonna link everything here down below in the description box for you. So there'll be links to go to the website and find everything. And that discount code will be down there for you as well. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notifications bell so you'll know notified every time I post. Bluey Lounge for kids from Kmart, $35. Flower frame from Purple Egg is only $35. So the next one we have is the kids key rattle and teether from Arbel and Autumn, $35. Also $35 is the iPhone case retro cassette tape style. Got a 72-piece watercolor set from Kmart. The Sage cleansing kit that has the crystal and the sage as well. The racing Jeep from Big W, rugby beach ball, that one's from Rebel Sports, just $40. Portable picnic table from West End, $40 as well. This nail polish set from Mecca, it is again $40. This cool kids pencil case that I love. Custom pet pillows, and you get them from Get Photo Blanket. I'm gonna leave, as I said, the links for everything down below in the description box. This kids sensory play kit is really cute too. It's from the Secret Ridge, $42 that one is. Gold class tickets are always a crowd favorite. So gold class tickets from Event Cinemas are $44 each. Body butter set of 5 from The Body Shop is $45. Okay, so the next item is these personalized wine glasses from hardtofind.com. I love this website for anything personalized. I got Ryan a watch stand from there. I think it was 2 years ago for Christmas, and it has engraving on the front of it, which is really cool. All right, the next one is slippers from Peter Alexander. Anything Peter Alexander, everyone loves that, especially girls. $46. Paint by Numbers. I love Paint by Numbers. Australian Paint by Numbers is the website. $48. It's great for grandparents as well as an activity for them. Baby Travel Essential Balms from Clover & Co. $49. A water play pool from Target, $49. This radio controlled helicopter from Big W. Cosmetic mini fridge from Kmart. Makeup travel case from Colette. Love these in general, $50. Skateboard from Rebel Sports, also $50. This cat themed tea set, which is so cute. It has the mug in there with the cats and the actual teas as well. 2 types of teas from T2, $50. Personalized toiletry bag from Hard to Find again. Gym bag from Gymshark. Where Are You book? It's like Where's Wally, but personalized for the person you're buying it for. So it's great for a little kid's present, and it's from Wonderbly. Disney ceramic reusable cups from Frank Green, $50. This happy sock set of 3 food themed socks, which is cool. Personalized photo album, illustrated prints from Coco Studio, $58. And they do have a bit of a cutoff, but they can do the digital prints for you up until the 21st of December. So that one, to get the digital copy, is really easy. Then you can just do the print yourself. Women's figure crystal statues as a cute little decor piece. Those are $59 from Those Crystal Girls. This personalized puzzle set from Mr. Bob's Puzzle. So you send them a picture that you want on a puzzle, and they'll literally cut it out. So you can pick how many pieces it is and the overall sizes of it. They are from $59 too. Picnic cooler bag, $60. Glass house candle Christmas trio, $60 as well. This manscaping gift pack set from The Body Shop, that one is $60. It has moisturizer, shaving balm, shower oil as well, so that's a great one for the boys. Personalized leather vegan AirPod cases, this one's from Hard to Find too, $60. Decorative beach shack oars from Lux Coastal Home, $60, another really cute decor piece. Watercolor gift bundle from Typo, $60. Tea set for 2 from T2, $60 as well. Drone from JB Hi-Fi. I actually found one from $64, which was awesome. Moisturizing gift set from The Body Shop. This complete collection of all of the Harry Potter books from Big W. It's only $65 as well, so great for those avid readers or young readers. Waffle maker from The Good Guys. I love a waffle. I used to live in America for a while, so I'm a big waffle fan, and at $65, that is a bargain, and it's a really cute cutout print as well. Chanel coffee table books, all coffee table books in general. So Booktopia has some from $67. Nerf guns, there's this Nerf Fortnite gun, $70. Adventure challenge books. I've seen these ads all over like my Instagram and Facebook. That one's $70. There is a family edition, friends edition, and couples edition. Kids bed sheets or bed sheets in general. There's some from Adairs from $70. Baby essential teething pack from Tiny Tonics. It's only $76. Remote control cat truck. I love this one from Big W, $79. Ultralight bathrobe. This is a Sheridan bathrobe from their outlet, $80. The crocked paint and pot set. Meal kit subscription from something like HelloFresh. You can do like an $80 gift card. Hoodies, all the rage, $84. There's a few on sale at the moment. This faux fur weighted blanket, it's from Amazon for $85. Personalized iPhone case from Caseify. Sand-free beach towels, must have for anyone that lives by the beach or likes going often. Personalized glass stand, this is another one on hard to find. It's $89, but really good for anyone that has glasses. This Lego classic brick set, 1,500 pieces from Kmart, only $89. Reindeer crystal tree ornament is so cute and stunning. It's $95 from Swarovski. The Amazon Echo Dot and clock. There's one that you can get from JB Hi-Fi for $99. I actually have as well a smart home video going through all of my smart home products just like that one. And there's TV here behind me, which is the frame. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it up above here for you now and down the description box below, because I've got heaps of smart home products, and anyone that's into that kind of stuff would love heaps of things on that list too. Some of them are in this list, but for all of them, head over to that video. Storage tins from Seed and Sprout. These are plastic-free storage tins, and also from Seed and Sprout, also $99 is the pantry jars. I've then got the Sunbeam air fryer from The Good Guys. It's only $99. Personalized bedside phone and watch holder from Hard to Find. It's $109. Ultimate baby feeding bundle from Brightberry, $109. That's on sale at the moment. Rocked pottery kit, DIY like clay kit, that's $110. Okay, the next item we have is this DIY cocktail lover kit from Mr. Content. That one is $119 and fun for any adults. I've got the Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser from Elia, an espresso pod machine. This is a Breville one from Maya, $129. This UE portable speaker from Target, $129. All right, this next one is a Polaroid photo kit from Instax. It's $129 for instant photos. It's really cute. I've also seen a friend of mine buy recently one that you take the photo with your phone and it's got the little printer instead. Also from that same brand, Instax. Next one is the Ring Indoor Stick-Up Can. This is an indoor-outdoor. The battery version from Bunnings is only $129. The next one is this really cute kids teepee from Adairs. It's $130. This men's shaver from Manscaped. It's a wireless, it's waterproof, it has replaceable blades and an adjustable guard. So really, really great one for the men. Personalized 8-piece cocktail set from Hard to Find, $135. Framed prints from Society 6, $152. I've got this 100-piece set, Contix tiles. You can kind of build like houses or castles, so it's got heaps of pieces to it. It's like an alternative to Lego with bigger pieces, so really cool for those kids that are maybe a little bit too young for Lego. The Belkin charging station, so this one does all your Apple devices. It's $157 and great. I've got the Tommy Tip baby food maker from Kogan. It does steaming and blending, purees. It's good for like finger food, pasta and veggies, so it is really, really good for new parents. All right, the next item is then this Manscaping Performance Pack from Manscaped. It's got heaps of things in there from the boys, $180. AirPods with their case as well is $180. You've got this Beechwood Play Gym set from Arbel and Autumn, $190 for that one. King and Queen bedspreads from Bambini Fashion, $190. All right, the next one we've got is the Lenovo 21-inch monitor. So for anyone that's now working from home or wants to have dual screens at home or even just a bigger screen, this is really good from Officeworks, $197. Adjustable standing desk, another great one for those working at home or if you want to upgrade your desk at work. That one's $199. Classic wooden doll's house is really gorgeous from Adairs, $199 as well. The decanter set, Earlwood 7-piece set, so you get the decanter and the glasses as well from Meyer. It's $221. This pantry makeover set from Seed and Sprout Co. is $225. This carpet spot cleaner from Bissell, I've got one myself. This one's $229. It's the exact one that I use. The Ring Video Doorbell 3, this one's from Bunnings, $249. Amazing for anyone, even if they're not that techie. It runs off batteries. You literally just screw it onto the bricks there. It doesn't need to be wired in or anything, so it's all DIY installation. But this one at $249 is a great gift idea. Again, that's in my smart home video that I linked earlier. This ornamental fruit, it's really, really cute, and I think it's a cute ornamental decor piece, $250. A GHD hair curler, this is the exact one that I use as well, that I used to do my hair today, just like this. Hoverboard from Razer, they are $270. Bluetooth audio glasses from JB Hi-Fi, $299, and just a cool techie gadget for anyone that likes that kind of stuff. The Smart Starter Light Kit by Philips Hue. Those smart light bulbs, it has the light bulbs, it has the home base, and it has either the rainbow or the white lights. You pick whatever colors. This one is $315, but very cool, and it's exactly how we started our smart home light system as well. The Cricut Joy Value Pack from Officeworks, $329. It's like the mini one that does all the labeling and the custom cutouts, so it is very cool. I love that. Tefal removable handles on the pots and pans. I just bought a set of these in Victoria's basement. $359 they are. Exercise bike desk. Now this is just cool. Dick Smith have them, $400. A Nintendo Switch from Big W, $469. A portable Weber barbecue. If you don't have one or you don't have a big barbecue, this is a great alternative. $469, but well worth the money. An Apple Watch. I love my Apple Watch. I wear mine all the time. $599. Okay, so the next item and second last item on the list is my Oroton Muse 15-inch worker tote. I love this handbag and swear by it. It is $649 currently, but well worth the money. It fits your laptop, all your documents in there. It has a long strap, short strap. It goes traveling with me because it has a travel strap, so it goes over your suitcase on the back, and it just looks really good all the time, even years and years later. So I swear by that handbag. Actually, I've got a video of all my handbags. I'll link that up above here for you now if you want to see other handbag options. And then my last item on the list is the KitchenAid stand mixer. Now, you can get this from KitchenAid directly, $749. So that is my last gift recommendation. I hope that helped. I hope there was something in here that made it easy for you to pick out gifts for your family and friends. Feel free to go back and watch it time and time again, or find those gaps of different price points. Don't forget to hit subscribe down below and ring that notifications bell. You won't want to miss out on my video next week. On Saturday, I'll be releasing my Christmas light video where I have shown you how I set up all my Christmas lights and turning them all on. They are pretty incredible, so don't forget to hit subscribe and that bell so that you don't miss out on that video and many more others. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.